Okay, hello again, welcome back. We're going to look at Unit 315, and for some of you it may be referred to as 615, okay? So the idea here is now is to make sure that we have all the relevant information. Sorry, 1 second. Okay. So I'm just trying to get organized here a little bit. Alright, okay. Alright, now the main thing here is to, again, we're going to look at 315, some of you maybe 615. Now it is quite clear, they're asking you, planning, preparing and installing wiring systems and associated equipment in buildings, structures and the environment. Okay? So what I've done here is to tell you what you need now. If you look back at 311, 312, 313, you should have done a lot of work already, which should allow you to actually complete 315 quite much more easily, because it's a matter of copying what you've done and referencing it for this section. Okay, as you can see, it appears that it's a repeat of some work you've done previously. Okay, but make sure that when you're referencing, it is referencing correctly. Okay, and you keep it as relevant as possible. Okay. Now again, I'm not going to read this out to you. You can read this for yourselves. Okay, and I've changed the colors for those people who may like a different color or different perspective. Okay. Now here we're going to 1.2. And again, you can see it clearly identifying use suitable personal protective equipment throughout the completion of work activities. And where have you used this before? Again, it's simply referring to PPE. So again, look back at what you've done, look back at the jobs you've done, look at the work you've written up on PPE, bring those forward now, copy and reference it to here. You need to put in hard copies. Do not say, please see anything or page whatever. You need to actually hard copy it and put it into place so it is in that section for 315 or 615. Okay. And again, 1.3. Now in your information for 1.3, you will need to be aware that it is asking you for a range. In your information it gives you a range. Now you have covered that range already in 311 to 313. Bring those, edit, copy and insert and reference to 315. As a matter of fact, 315, if you've done the work correctly, should now be a lot easier to complete than anything else. If you haven't done the work correctly or try to take shortcuts, you will not have the material work that you will need to complete 315. Therefore, you would be doing it as if you had just started, which would be a waste of your time and a shame for you. But nonetheless, it can be done. Okay. You must complete the portfolio references. Okay, you must put them in place and fill them in. Now remember, this is not an English essay. You're not writing an essay. Don't just say, I have complied with the reference or 1.3 by looking at this sign when I went to work, and think that will do it. That will not work. You must have hard copies of what you've done and what you're talking about, and it should be photographic evidence wherever possible, plus testimonials, product listing, etc. Okay? Well, we'll stop there for now. Thank you.